So that is our P3 model basically we work on. Now with this P3 model from 2010 onwards, we are providing different kind of diploma courses for becoming teacher. So many of the time when I say teachers training program, people feel that I'm teaching to directly teachers. Yeah, most of like 90% of our students are already teachers, but actually these courses are for aspiring teachers, those who would like to become teacher. For them, this is the mandatory eligibility criteria. When it comes to pre-primary education, NTT, then MTC. NTT stands for Nursery Teachers Training, MTC stands for Montessori Teachers Training, ECCS stands for Early Childhood Care and Education, TTT stands for Teachers Training Courses. So these are the courses for pre-primary teacher. So to become pre-primary teacher, to teach playgroup, nursery, junior and senior KG, you need to go through any of this diploma course, whatever just I have mentioned, NTT, TTC, MTC or ECCS. And this is the criteria. This is the basic criteria from the start itself. Many of the time people are not aware about it, and that's why they think, okay, I already know 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD and I have to teach that only. I'm already graduate, I'm already postgraduate. What is the need of taking training? But basically at this level, more training is required, because you should know child psychology, you should know educational psychology, you should know what are the different pedagogies to teach young learners. And until and unless you are not knowing this, you will teach them maybe with the wrong methods, not with the research based method, and without which they may not learn fast.